going on, guys? It's Josh, DepriveD Productions. We're back in Pro Tools. 5th audio design tutorial, sounds and stuff. Go talk about compression. Compression's pretty cool. Use it on a lot of stuff, especially vocals, LOL. Doing that right now, but I'm not using the stock plugins that come with Pro Tools. I'm using some crazy other stuff. So, we're going to walk through how we can do it with the Pro Tools stuff. You know what I'm talking about? Make it sound all pretty. Now, we need a new track. You could go to track, new, mono, audio, create, boom. There you got your audio track. And make sure you set your ins and outs. But see, where I've already got one, and you may also, you can right-click on it. I'm going to right-click on Josh, press duplicate, press the OK button. Okay, there it is. And I'm just, for now, I got basically the exact same thing going on here. Click on all these and click on no insert to get rid of the plugin so we can start from scratch. All right, so here we go. I'm about to switch to my unclick on this, click on this, and record on the second one. I'm going to switch to my new voice, so get ready, get pumped. What's up? Huh? All right, so don't leave. I'm going to get it fixed. Just, I know it don't sound that good. Just going to, not anything going on, real dry microphone, right? Going to click here quick. Quick, got to be fast with it for y'all stop watching. Dynamics, just hang on tight there. There's one right here, compressor limiter. Click on that, you got little stuff. Just keep on holding on. We're going to quickly go to factory default here, go down to vocal leveler, and just relax. And just relax a little bit. Everything's going to be fine. Everything's going to be fine. Now, there's a couple things we can do with compression. Now, what's actually happening here is what's cool. It's taking like the real low volume that you really can't hear a lot of the time and bringing it up a little bit to where the high volume is. So you can really adjust it with this bar. Like the vocal leveler helps a lot with like setting some of the parameters that we'll talk about later. But I could like turn the threshold down, right? Because the gain, I could turn myself up a little bit, up and down. Well, the threshold is deciding exactly how much we're getting out of that. So, or how much it's compressing. So if I crank it down like this, check it out. I'm about to crank myself back up like this. Dough, son. See what's going on now? I'm all compressed. You can hear the reverb in the room. I sound good, but don't leave. I'm gonna fix it. Okay, just relax a little bit. Click on vocal leveler again. Boom, we're back to it. But you could kind of toy with it, right? But the thing is, here's the problem. You can get some sound. You get a little of that sound. I'm in a noisy room, obviously. I'm a little loud. Get a little of that sound. I'll show you a little trick you're gonna need. You're gonna need it bad because there's all kind of sound. We're gonna right-click on another plugin here. Just click. Go to plugin. Go to dynamics again. Now close to the compressor. 2 down is a gate. Check this out. As soon as I click on it. What's up? It's cutting me off real fast. Hold on, I got it. Just calm down, everybody. I'm fixing it. Hold on. See what's going on here? Turn it all the way down. It's trying to cut out volumes after a certain decibel. So if it's lower than me talking, I want it to kind of cut it out. So I adjust it. Check it out. About right there. You hear me talking? But when I ain't talking, it's like no sound. Kind of sounds robotic sometimes, so you got to be careful. But you see the cool thing about having a gate, because now you can't hear all that. All right, so let's keep on going. Now check it out. I want to show what it sounds like to kind of add a compressor over an instrument. That's really important too. I'm going to just delete this track, okay? And what that means is I'm going to disappear and switch back to my formal voice. Get ready. What it is, I'm back. And I sound normal, kind of. But I mean, so check this out. I got a little piano piece. I want you guys to hear it real quick. Check. I'm rocking it, okay? I'm gonna add a little compression to this and show you what happens. So let's go right here and do the same thing. Okay, we're gonna get a dynamic. Same thing down here. It's gonna be a stereo plugin now instead of a mono, if you notice here at the end. No biggie, still doing the same old thing. I've got it on my instrument track. I can name that piano if I want or whatever not. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bypass it, but I'm gonna really compress this piano and kind of show you what's going on here, okay? So let's listen to it without it real quick. This is bypassing it. And let's turn it on one time. See what kind of difference it's making there? It's really, really compressing all the sound. So, I mean, you could really, really turn it down here. And if I listen to it like this, it's probably real wild sounding. I mean, you're literally just brick walling. Like, look at all the reverb. It's pulling. You can still hear it behind my voice. It's insane. Compression, man. I know this may not be an ideal way to use it. I'm just showing you how powerful these free plugins are. I mean, they're awesome, dude. You got to get them. Go get them. Don't be scared. You get them for free, but you got to, buy Pro Tools. But whatever, right? I think I'm whatevering. Guys, appreciate you watching. Like always, Josh here. DepriveD Productions, go subscribe to the YouTube channel, DepriveD Productions. Go like the Facebook page and all that. We got all kind of more tutorials coming and all kind of neat stuff. I'm working with a couple people. Y'all are going to really like some cool stuff I'm about to show you. And then we're going to show you how to do it too. So much fun. Go download the EP, guys. Stream it, listen to it, steal it. I don't care. Final Alpha EP by DepriveD. It's freaking awesome music. Either way, guys, I got to go. Have a good one. Love you. Miss you. Bye-bye.